Alrighty guys, what is up? It is Zach here from the Storm Garage with Danny.
Hello.
And today we're going to be doing a tuner box unboxing, which is an automotive subscription box that gets sent to you every month. You can pick a muscle, JDM, or Euro type box. I believe it is $55 a month for the subscription. And you get, their main focus is high quality t-shirts in this box, where a lot of other boxes they have t-shirts and they have other little things, but the t-shirts aren't necessarily a really high quality. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to dig into this box and see what kind of quality stuff. There is other little things in there too sometimes, like they said hats and other little trinkets or stickers or things like that. I'll just take the sticker off.
A sticker. Why didn't you just take off the sticker?
So we open it up. Oh man, look at this. This is all
fancy.
This is all wrapped up in nice, like, little wrapping
cute.
paper for
It
us.
has little things on the side. So, on this side it says "Share the bliss."
Share the bliss, guys.
Very
Share.
cute.
I don't want to. Oh, I feel bad
You
for
ripped the
ripping it because
wrapping
it has
paper.
wrapping paper on it.
Ooh.
So the first thing we see here, we got a tuner box lanyard. It's actually pretty cool lanyard.
It's good quality too. It's like not crazy thin or cheap or anything.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and the first t-shirt that's in this one, I'm sure this will come in the muscle boxes then, is a burnout t-shirt of an old, correct me if I'm wrong, fastback Mustang. I think it's a 67 or 69. I'm not exactly sure on my muscle cars so well, but that looks like a pretty cool shirt. Those feel really nice too. Those shirts feel super awesome.
Nice, actually.
And oh man, we have all sorts of stuff up in here. This is actually pretty cool.
You could definitely wash this and not worry about like the graphic getting destroyed. Like you can do this, and I'm not like worried about it. Ooh, I'm excited to wear these.
So the next shirt that's in here, we have a bunch of S13, S14, and S15. Oh, those are some sweet slidey boys. Get a look at it. Get a look at how just nice these are. This genuinely looks very nice. I'm excited to wear it. I want to wear this one. And we have a bunch of other things still in here as well. So the first thing we have is soft touch grip handled pliers, and they're those are pretty nice actually. I like those. Those should come in handy when working in the Storm Garage. Next thing they sent are just some gloves in here for when you're working on oily things or coolant or trans fluid or all different sorts of fluids. Just remember to wear your PPE, boys. Remember to protect yourselves. Protection at its finest. Next one we got a screwdriver in here for screw driving things.
Yeah. Got a good one on there.
All right. We got couple bungee cords in here because, you know, if you're driving an S13, S14, or S15, you're going to be dirt nasty low and you're going to be hitting some curbs. And this right here is to hold your bumpers up after you rip them off because your car's so stupidly low.
We had kids like that in our high school parking lot all the
gloves.
time. Oh yeah, I'm wearing the gloves. Hand model. Wow, bungee cord.
All right, and we got some stickers. Oh heck yeah! One of the OGs, send nudes. One of my favorite stickers. I'll make sure to stick that right in the center of my mirror. Yeah, that'll be a great.
In the center of your mirror.
I'm not gonna put it in the center of my mirror. And we have a Rising Sun logo. Oh yeah, if you don't know, this is the Japanese Rising Sun logo. This is also a logo that is used to associate with JDM, the Japanese domestic market.
That I did know.
A lot of people use that logo.
I like it. It's very pretty.
And we got a freaking tuner box. Air freshener. Their very own themed air freshener and strawberry, and I'm just gonna open it because like I want to open it right now because like I want to smell some strawberries. Oh man, it's a little strong.
It's bad. I don't like.
It's a little strong, really close. Go a little farther away from it.
No, I'm okay.
Okay, fine. All right, and we also got a tag card here, a tuner box little card. I don't know if it's like a trading card. Get a load of that bad boy right there. Okay, and we have one last. Oh my goodness, there goes the box. One last thing, just some sweet old Yotto red electrical tape.
Yeah,
just some
banging electrical tape.
Some
right
Yotto red electrical tape. That should be great for when I'm repairing all the wires that I snip or do scrape on the ground that need to be freaking electrical taped up. instead of butt connectors. As he said, the things that mainly shine here are the t-shirts. I'm loving the S13, S14, and S15 t-shirt. That is,
I really like this one though.
That is pretty freaking awesome. So we're definitely going to wear these.
This is nice. I really love these t-shirts actually. Just the quality of the fabric is gorgeous.
So if you want to get one of these boxes, like I said, it is $55 a month. But if you go ahead and use my code STORM10, you can go ahead and get 10% off of your first box. And there'll be the code. I'm going to put a link in the description down below to the website and the code in the description down below as well.
100% cotton.
100%,
100%.
100% cotton t-shirts. So make sure
Very
you don't
cute.
dry them really hot,
Yeah,
right?
don't dry them hot because they will shrink.
Don't dry them hot because they'll shrink.
If you got it and you're like, oh, it's a little baggy, then it's perfect.
If it's a little too big, then you can dry her for a little bit on some hot and be like, whoa, take it out. You know, you don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think that's pretty much it for this unboxing, guys. Let us know what you think of this unboxing video, and if you want to see more unboxings of automotive subscription boxes from other companies, then maybe one day we'll compare them all and we'll see who's really good and who's really not good.
Yeah, and don't forget to subscribe, ring that little notification
And the freaking ding bell. I'm gonna put a ding, ding, ding.
And
Hit
make
that.
sure you don't have it just on the auto ring. You can actually click it and go, hey, I want to see every video.
Do the
so make
all.
sure you know what you're clicking on.
Yeah, exactly. All right. So until next time, guys. Peace.